All right, so if Vivian's buying party hats and cupcakes for a total of $71, each package of hats cost $3. I like that word each. Each cupcake costs $1. If she bought 10 packages of party hats, how many cupcakes did she buy? So we have a total. We have party hats. So let's name hats H and let's name cupcakes C. H plus C equals 71. Now, we only know the price of each, so we're going to put that first. The price of the party hats is $3, and the cupcakes are $1. And then we also know that Vivian bought 10 party hats. So if she bought 10 party hats, it's going to be 3 times 10 plus C equals 71. Now, just simplify. 3 times 10 is 30, plus C is 71. How do I get C by itself? I'm going to have to get opposite of positive 31, or opposite of 30, which is subtract on both sides. So the number of cupcakes, what is 71 minus 30? 39? No, it's 41. All right, 17. You got a neighborhood consists of 2-hectare park and 35-hectare residential area. The total number of trees is 3,934. The equation is represented here. How nice. They gave an equation. Just like how we just did the other one had two different variables. This one has 2x and this one has 35y. So x and y. Which of the following represents x? So I know, where did I see 2 before? 2 goes with the park. So x should represent the number of parks. So let's take a look at the answer choices. I don't like when they have the word total. This is not talking about the total. It's talking about the number in the park. So it's A. Okay, the graph here is showing company A and B, okay, number of stock shares, okay. We're looking at two different types of equations. We have slope-intercept and standard. Let's look for the slope. So the slope, which is M, look for perfect points. I got 0, 40, and I got, this is a good one right here, 30 and 20. If I subtract 40 and 20, I'm going to do the y's first, right? So I'm going to do 40 minus 20, which is 20. And then I'm going to do same direction. I'm going to do 0 minus 30. I'm going to get negative 30. I'm going to get negative 2/3. Whoops. My slope is negative 2/3. Let's see if I can eliminate anything here. This is a positive slope and this is negative, so definitely not A. This is a positive slope. We're looking for negative, so it's not that one. What's the difference here? These are both going to be negative slopes if I convert them. So let's try to figure out the y-intercept. The y-intercept is going to be 0, 40, right? Okay, so if I do 480 divided by 12, what's that get me? If I do 480 divided by 8, what's that get me? So 48 divided by 12 is going to be 40. I know the answer must be D. I know we didn't learn how to convert into slope-intercept form, but you could solve for y there. Let's take a look at this next one. We got a data and frequency table. We got 57 total values. What's the maximum data value in the data set? Um, the maximum data value. So two ways I can go here. I could say the highest value, or I could say the most common. Now, I don't think it's going to be most common because they would have just said what's the mode. So we're going to just look for the max. What is the maximum value? This is the data value 6, 7, all the way to 14. The answer is 14. That's the highest. That's the maximum.